Hello, today topic is fact about India. India is the 7th largest country in the world. India is located in South Asia. The capital of India is New Delhi, but largest city is Mumbai. India got its freedom on 15th August 1947. So 15th August is celebrated as Independence Day. India got its constitution on 26 November 1947 and it came in effect from 26 Jan 1950. We celebrated 26 Jan as Republic Day. After independence, the first Prime Minister of India was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The first President of India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Mahatma Gandhi is called as Father of the Nation. Bikaji Kama is called as Mother of the Nation. India is also known as Bharat, Hindustan and Hind. A person who is from India is Indian. Hindi is the official language in India with English as an additional official language. The currency of India is rupee. National symbols of India. National flag of India. Tiranga is the national flag of India. It has three colors: saffron at top, white at middle with Ashoka Chakra in the middle of white, green at the bottom. National anthem. Jan Gan Man is the national anthem of India. It is composed by poet Rabindranath Tagore. National song. Our national song is Vande Mataram. It is written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. National tree, Indian banyan. National fruit, mango. National river, Ganga. National flower, lotus. National bird, peacock. National animal, tiger. National sweet, jalebi. National vegetable, Indian pumpkin or kaddu. National monument, Red Fort. Festivals of India. National Festival of India, Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Festivals of India. Diwali, Holi, Eid ul Fitr, Christmas, Guru Purnima, Raksha Bandhan, Navratri, Dashera, Pongal, Onam, Lori, Makar Sankranti, Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, Gudi Padwa, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Bihu, Durga Puja, Mahashivratri, Baisakhi. India has 29 states and 7 union territories. Taj Mahal is the one of the famous wonder of the world. Qutub Minar is the highest tower in India. Kanchenjunga mountain is the highest peak in India and third highest mountain in the world. Thank you for watching. Like